This tutorial will show you how to find the Peterson Test Prep site. From School Info on the Triton High School web page, you choose Academics and Library. Then on the left, select Student Resources, and in the middle column, choose Gale. Scroll down the page until you find Peterson Test Prep. Once you're on the Peterson page, you can click Improve Your Score, High School, and scroll till you find the HiSET Test Prep. From here you can go through a tutorial and then take a practice test.